Hello everyone. In this month Random Voice Vision edition, I'm going to talk about Gen Z. It's actually a food for thought. Where does Gen Z spends? Gen Z spends most of the time on social media. They spend on food. They spend on lifestyle. Given this scenario, there is a relevance to the furniture industry here. There has been a lot of talk that was going on about Gen Z not interested in buying new homes, not interested in owning things. Where does this head to? Will they buy furnitures in future? Will they buy houses in future? What happens if they don't buy house? What happens if they don't buy furnitures? How does this industry will react to this? How does this industry cope up with this? Is a question that need to be answered. We all need to wait and see how does the Gen Z position themselves in the lifestyle choices. It's a food for thought for everyone. Without any conclusion, I sign off. Thank you.